The night before every run, I ask the same question. Why am I doing this stupid, painful run? Why did you even think that running is worth more than learning any other skill? And how can it be something you won't get tired of? So many questions. However, my brain remembers the joy more than the pain. So weeks later, I start thinking about another marathon or another ultra. Pedro? Morning. We're back in Rizal with Aim, Francis there, and we're doing the Puray, back to Wawa. You never stop training even after a race, just to keep your body energized and keep the glycogen level up. It's gonna be a 21-kilometer long and slow distance running, and hopefully we can finish this. We just did a super slow hike. Took our time. Took us like an hour and a half. That's really slow for this 5-kilometer hike. Yeah, hike we didn't run. We'll try our best to run in the second. We're going back to Puray. For the meantime, enjoy the view. There. I've ran, suffered, got injured, failed, finished. But that's how the cycle is. The wisdom you gain will forever be priceless. Well, it is addicting to be around so many energized, motivated people that know how to put their heads down and get a task completed. So nice. Good job. Nice morning. Like the breeze, it's not so sunny yet. Yeah, it's cold. Our kind of weather. Summer feels here. Siberian winds. I like your shirt, Paul. Can you show the audience what your shirt looks like? Yeah.
Oh, that. Right there, right?
That's Rocky with the same shirt. Well, we didn't talk about it, just happened. Nike sponsor. Hey Francis, thanks for accompanying us. And thanks for forcing us to join you on your runs. Off to Puray. Morning! It's a popular ice candy.
Ito naman, may ice candy yung hinahanap.
Ito yung celebrity dito. Ngayon yung mga kids.
Malagkit na may malaman siyang
Bochi.
pang celebrity lang pa dito.
Kaya swak na swak kayo. Ano ko yan nandito kayo?
Candy siya.
Tapos ito,
Soft drinks.
soft drinks. Para makilala yung ano nyo. The best ice candy. World famous. Alright. Abir. Alright. Sige. Kuya, thank you. Bye. Ate, bye. Bye.
Sige, yung dalawang round. Kasi yun pamala siya yun.
These two are purposely confusing us. This is just a regular weekend run. No big event ahead, but every run is a different experience, different company, but there's always something new to learn, whether you can explain it or not.